All right, so Linux again. So I wanted to show you something that kind of annoyed me. It seems sometimes it seems like C++ is bloated, and I think everyone kind of realizes that. I'm working on, learning Vulkan, and I did a bunch of refactoring since the last stream. Um, but here, if I go to check device extension support, and this tutorial is actually I'm really glad, I'm really happy that this person made it, and I'm not saying that they're dumb or anything like that. But I did notice something that was seemed kind of like more work than it needed to be. So I'm getting the extension property. So I'm getting the count of the number of extensions. And then I'm making an array for all of the available extensions. And then I'm um, setting all of the extension properties into this array, right? And then what I'm doing is I'm looping through all the extensions, and then I'm looping all through all the extensions I want to check for. And if I find the extension I like, if I find the extensions I want to check for, I keep incrementing this count, right? So if the number of extensions I want to check for is equal to the found count, then guess what? I found all the extensions that I need um, are available, right? But what they did is something weird. They're using a set, yeah, a set, and so in my case, I am doing what is it? Yeah, it is a nested for loop. So um, I guess a nested for loop might not be as good, but um, they're checking they're creating a set, and it looks like I don't know C++ that well, but I don't even know what these parentheses around it mean, to be honest. But it looks like they're just copying um, the extensions that they want to look for, right? But then they're going through the available extensions, and every time they're copying the extensions they want to look for in required extensions, and then every time they find that extension in the list of extensions that they got from enumerate extension properties, then they just erase it. And then if um, the set is empty, then they know that they have all the extensions that they needed. Um, I don't know. This just seems like a lot more work than do. Like it just seems harder and harder to understand. This just seems so much harder to understand than just doing this. I don't know if that's maybe this is a matter of just opinion, but this is just one of the reasons why I just intentionally try to convert all this. I'm converting all the C++ code into C, and I'll make it this public. So if anyone wants to learn Vulkan, but they want to go through this tutorial but see it in C instead, then I guess I'll just make this public. Um, yeah,